Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious bacon step by step. Preheat a heavy skillet over medium heat, lay bacon slices without overlapping, and cook slowly for even crisping. Flip every 2 minutes so fat renders evenly and watch for an even golden brown. Transfer to a wire, rack over a sheet pan for 3 minutes to stay crisp, and drain excess fat before serving. Enjoy. Season your bacon lightly and control smoke with a simple trick. Pat slices dry and sprinkle a light pinch of cracked black pepper or brown sugar if you want sweet contrast. Cook at medium heat to avoid burning the exterior while the interior crisps, and use a splatter screen if you have one. Remove early for chewier bacon or cook longer for very crisp strips, watching closely to prevent flare-ups. Quick recommendation: if you meal prep bacon or leftovers, consider leak-proof containers today for easy storage. I love these leak-proof containers because they stack, seal tight, and make transporting bacon mess-free, plus they microwave safely on low. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe and like, and check the description for the link and other deals. So thanks for supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Oven baking makes large batches easy and consistent every time. Line a sheet pan with foil, place a wire rack, and arrange slices in a single layer without overlap to allow airflow. Bake at 400 degrees F for 12 to 18 minutes depending on thickness and desired crispness, checking at the lower end. Use tongs to transfer to paper towels for quick drainage before serving, which keeps texture ideal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.